Every industrial machine needs protection, a functional, precise enclosure designed to integrate seamlessly with the system. At Formest, we design manufacture custom enclosures based on our own drawings or those provided by the client. We start by listening. We collaborate with designers to find tailored, functional and consistent solutions. We handle complex geometries, various materials and specific technical requirements. Every phase is managed in-house: 3D design, MIG-TIG welding, painting, assembly and logistics. These ensure reliable lead times, full control and consistent quality. We work with companies in packaging, automation, converting, food and tissue sectors. We are used to managing design changes, pilot batches and both small-scale and scalable production runs. Our components are ready for integration, even in highly complex production lines. The entire process follows certified manufacturing standards, with strong focus on sustainability. We optimize time, material waste and resources. We are not just talking about safety, we are talking about form, function and consistency. This is our way of doing industry. This is Formest.